In Truxo, everything starts with a load. It's the core record of a freight shipment, from booking to payment. Click Create on the Loads page. At the top is the Autofill Load section. Upload a rate confirmation, and Truxo's AI fills every field in about 60 seconds. We'll go through the manual flow. Select your customer. This is who's paying for the load. Assign a carrier. Below that, fill in shipment details: equipment type, commodity type, weight, and job number. Set up your pickup stop: location, address, date and time, load type, and quantity. Save it. Add your delivery stop with destination details. Save it. Truxo calculates the route automatically. Review the map, miles, pricing, and profit. Click Add Load. Your load is live. Now let's create a load that needs 2 drivers, a split leg scenario. Fill in your customer, carrier, shipment details, pickup, and delivery. Same as before. In the stop section, click Split Load on the pickup stop. This creates a handoff point. Leg 1 now runs from pickup to handoff. On the right, assign the first driver, truck and trailer for leg 1. You can toggle Add Second Driver if it's a team run. Scroll down to leg 2. This runs from the handoff point to the final delivery. Assign a different driver, truck and trailer for this leg. Click Assign Trip. Truxo creates trips for each leg automatically, linked to the load and the assigned drivers. Head to the Trips page. You'll see the trips created from your load. Each leg appears as its own trip, with the assigned driver, truck, trailer, pickup, delivery, and status. Click any trip to see the full details: stops, equipment, route map, and driver expenses. You can update the driver assignment, pay rate, or stops from here using Reassign Trip or Unassigned Drivers.